The core consists of many, many muscles that have a very high range or a lot of degrees of contraction, meaning they can contract just a little bit or they can contract a lot. They can contract slowly or very fast and in many, many, many different synergies. More on one side, less on the other side, more the diagonals on this side, the diagonals on the opposite side, more everything together, more just the front, more just the back, and then with what synergy in relationship to your hip muscles and your leg muscles that are part of the core, and what relationship to your breathing muscles that are part of the core, what relationship to your pelvic floor that is actually part of the core. So a strong core is a healthy one. A healthy one means that it works in a very intelligent way that adapts to the circumstances, and it's never just fixated on one pattern of activation, but that it can actually shift across many, many different various patterns of activation.